morning, guys. It's Uncle Mike 392 out here at Rolling Thunder Roadhouse out here on Memorial. And they have the car show out here this morning, Sunday morning. Let me give you, hold on, let me show you where I'm located. I'm right across the street from the Prime Steakhouse right here. And here's some of the cars. I'll get them in a little bit. I'm just showing you where I'm located. And it's out here on Memorial, okay? Give you guys a time check. It is 7:45. They're already out here. So I'm gonna start over here in this smaller lot, then I'm gonna go over there to the bigger lot across the street right over there and get it over there. Okay, guys? All right, let's get started. Let's go here first. Let's start right here. We're gonna make our first start on this video right here. Look at that thing, that's beautiful. Chevrolet Camaro Fisher Pace car. There you go. It's nice, I like that. '65 GTO, that's nice, I like that. GTO, there's another one over here, GTO. There's some nice ones over here too. Look at this, guys. Old classics. They got an auto show, a custom lowrider show after the fair. I don't know if I'm gonna go today because I haven't been feeling well, so I just drugged myself out of the house to get this done. But I want to get some content for you guys because I love you guys, my subscribers, my potential subscribers. So I had to get something for you guys. Even though I'm not feeling 100%, my hips been giving me some problems. So I'm gonna. You guys be patient with me and work with me, okay? I'm doing the best I can, man. You know, I hope you guys don't know, I got a real bad hip. I'm just waiting to get it replaced soon, as soon as they schedule me.
I sold a real SS 65 Chevelle, 327 horsepower, black, white too. It was all original. I sold it to somebody.
Good morning, guys. How y'all doing?
I'm still $6,000 ahead from the Chevelle. So it's not bad.
Good morning, sir.
That's actually a Mons that I GT'd.
1979. Look at the price on this thing back in the day. That is nice. So this is where I'm at, guys, on Memorial and Eskridge right here. And I'm out here at Thunder House. Cafe and off shack bedding right here. That's where I'm located right here. It feels good out here. Hope it don't rain. I want to get some good content before it rains. I live quite a ways from here. But you see, I made it. This is nice. I like this. 25th. Let's see what the year is. I don't have that. Show you where I'm located again. We got Ford up here and Lexus right there. Out on Memorial in Eskridge. It's one thing I love to do, man. I love to do this for you guys, man. Love it. I love my channel and I love my subscribers and I appreciate all of you guys, man. All of you. Thank you so much, guys. It wouldn't be Uncle Mike 392 without my subscribers, and I appreciate you guys so much, man. Thank you so much. If I haven't told you face to face, I'm telling you on the video right here, right now. I appreciate all you guys, man. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all you guys, man. Ooh, look at this.
How's yours coming?
Me calling. I would have done. I'd do something. I wouldn't do that.
Something motor shouldn't have to have done.
Shit, just put it on a fucking dyno and see if it works. That was my. I got a new.
Let me get some,
I got a new starter.
get some information on some of these cars, what year they are. This is a 64. Okay, let me see what this is. 421. Look at this one. GTO, baby. I like this. 1965 GTO. Look at that engine, guys. Still good engine. Carburetors, filters. Nice, nice, nice. Frigidaire, right? Okay, I got a Frigidaire in my house. But it's in my kitchen, not on my car.